Good evening to my Jeep update for Saturday, May 7th, 2022. And I didn't do any work today on the Jeep. I did some yard work. It's piling up on me. I still got a sore knee and sore foot. It's not that bad though, because I'm able to at least mow grass. But anyway, I did have some parts come in today, and this came in today from Parts Geek. This is a Mopar assembly. It's the vapor pump, leak detection pump. I already have a new one, but I'm having a lot of trouble getting all the hoses and everything on it. So for a little bit more money, I got a Mopar and all the hoses are already on here. Now I realize I'll probably have a little bit of a problem putting the other end of the hoses back on the fittings. But anyway, this part's assembled, and you know, some of it I think goes to the charcoal canister. It connects to the leak detection pump and whatever. But anyway, that's where I'm at right now. It may be a while if I get to this. I still got yard work to do, and I've got to pick up our RV, bring it home, and get it serviced. We got relatives that bought it from us coming in from New York Wednesday to pick it up, and I'm gonna have to spend some time on it, getting it ready for the road. They're going to do a turnaround. They're flying in Wednesday, and then Thursday or Friday they're going to do a turnaround to head right back to New York, and I got to have it ready. Okay, so I probably won't be doing much on the Jeep. Maybe a little piddling here and there, not much though. Anyway, that's my Jeep. Quick update, what's going on, out for now. And good morning, about 10 o'clock. This is an update of my Jeep for Monday, May 9th, 2022. Not doing any work on the Jeep, probably not for the next several days, maybe the weekend, because I've got to get this big boy ready for the road. We sold our RV, and I'm getting it ready. You know, I gave it an oil change. I'm checking all the fluids, and I'm going to give it a wash job. Check air pressure. I got a couple of running lights that are out. One backup light is out. I'm going to get all those squared away. Then I'm going to give it a good wash and wax. We got relatives. My wife's sister and husband bought it from us in February, and they're coming in on Wednesday to pick it up, and they're going to do a quick turnaround, get right back on the road, I think Thursday morning or Thursday afternoon. So I've got to have it ready. So anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just gave it fresh oil, checking for leaks, running it up, and cleaning the engine bay. It just had some dust and dirt on it. It's still in pretty good shape. And checking everything out. Everything's been checked out. All the systems work. We're having a little bit of problem. I take that back. We're having a little problem with the slide. This front part of the slide, the motor is kicking out. And it's under warranty, and they don't want us to do anything about it because the warranty is all good and transferable, and they got a friend that works on RV, so when they get it back to New York, they're going to have him check it out first, and then go from there. But anyway, that's what I'm working on for the next few days. So and then I'll get back on that hopefully by the weekend. That's my weekend. My Jeep update, and it's still Tuesday, May the 10th, Dad's birthday, and we're still working on the RV. I need to get some polish or something on that cap there because it looks kind of dull. Everything else looks pretty good. That right side.